Okay, so we're back. We've got another trade. We're shorting in this case. Let me tell you why, or why I think we're shorting. So we've had this kind of period consolidation. We trended up, had this period consolidation, so this high, brought down, consolidated. So this high here, and then closed within that range. And this previous day here, we had it close just within the range of the previous day. And there's a lot of like previous data. We did then open today. We swept this high out, and I was already kind of carrying on my bearish bias from here. So I think we're bearish, probably targeting this swing low here, but that's kind of more for a higher time frame narrative. But yeah, that's why bearish. For me on the 4 hour, okay, swept above this previous day, swing highs here, got taken out, broke down, inverse this fair value gap. Pretty happy with that. And for me, our next draw on liquidity is this 4 hour swing low here, and then probably these lows here. 1 hour, obviously got this sweep, broke down, filled this fair value gap, which at the time, well, traded into a premium and then sold off. It's good. And then now price has been breaking off since. This is the previous day low, which we swept, but we closed through. And for me, as I said, we tapped it here, came back up, filled, and then broke down again. I'm expecting price. And the price is now kind of like, it respected this area by retracing, refilling, rebalancing, whatever you want to call it, then broke down again, suggesting that we are bearish for me. And then yeah, for me, it's these lows that we're now targeting. 15 minute, yeah, cool, nice rally. I mean, we inversed that there, we broke down, filled this fair value gap, continued to break down, created this nice fair value gap, which price came in and filled. It's cool, happy with that. And then 5 minute, I like this move, broke down, took this low, rallied higher, filled this fair value gap, and then price broke down again on the 1 minute. Shifting market structure beneath this swing low here, and I'm expecting price now to continue down to this low following that, with that being our drawn liquidity, that 4 hour, that's where that 4 hour fair value gap starts. So I waited for the 3 minutes to be filled because I wasn't sure if that was going to happen, and then on the 1 minute we're now trading into a premium, hopefully. Yeah, well, hopefully price is going to sell off, so I'll enter off of that, see how I get on. I would like to see us draw all the way down. I mean, hopefully that is our drawn liquidity. Maybe move to break even if we can get close to this low or this low, but we'll just let it play out now. Oh, that's unfortunate. See, okay, so we would have been stopped out twice, but our drawn liquidity was, I would say, correct. Would you say? Yeah. Okay. Drawn liquidity was correct. That's fine. I'm fairly happy with that loss. That's literally unlucky. There was a trade that we won like a few trades ago that we barely won by like the same sort of margins, by like, you know, half a pip. So I'm not particularly gutted with that. Had I had it there, we'd have hit full take profit. But I mean, how was I supposed to know that that's where our price is going to revisit? I mean, I had my stop loss set to there. I mean, maybe clear that high, but for me, I wasn't sure how much lower price was going to trend down, but it did. It would have done. So maybe next time we set our drawn liquidity as maybe a break even, and then set our stop loss to a spot that we're happy with. In this case, I don't know. As I said, it takes an element of discretion. In that case, we were just, I think, unlucky. But overwhelmingly, drawn liquidity was correct. 15 minute held, you know, like hourly held, good, happy with that. And it was just unlucky. I didn't necessarily even mistime my entry. I got wicked out, so it was like, it's just a matter of stop loss more than anything. Just one of them. I'm not particularly gutted about that. That means I'm likely, I mean, I'm not going to take, yeah, I'm not going to take, that's my last trade of this month. I'm now going to close the month down, it's like 1.5%. It's not terrible, given the fact that the last few months we've had, since December, we've had 5% in the last 3 months. It's good. So, you know, it's not terrible. But yeah, I've had a decent run of things lately. I think nearly a year, the past year, like of backtesting. Like last April, up 3, up 1.5, up 0.5, up 0.5, lost 2%, break even, lost 2%, plus 2%, plus 2%, plus 1%. I think that's net positive. So look, it's good. I need to remember that this does happen when we do lose, and that's fine. Everyone loses, but overwhelmingly, I feel like I've actually taken a win there because my narrative was correct, and that can just happen. Stop punted, and it's the name of the game. So I mean, it is what it is. On to the next. Anything I've missed could improve. Any of you, if there is anyone watching this and they know how to set a stop loss better, how to stop this sort of thing happening, how to know if price is going to push beneath this, please let me know, because I have done. It's not guesswork as such, but I set my take profit to here, and this goes to 1 to 1.5, and that is it. So I don't know. If anyone there wants to give me any advice, give me a shout. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.